juggling orders, managing staff, keeping track of inventory. It's enough to make even the most seasoned owner throw their hands up in the air. But what if there was a way to streamline all that madness into a symphony of efficiency? That's where TouchBistro comes in. Today, we're diving deep into the world of TouchBistro capabilities, exploring how this nifty restaurant management system can transform your business from a frantic scramble to a well-oiled machine. So picture this, a busy Saturday night. Your dining room is packed, the phones are ringing off the hook for takeout orders, and your staff is buzzing around like a hive of bees. But instead of feeling overwhelmed, you're calmly taking orders on your iPad, thanks to TouchBistro's intuitive interface. Taking control of the chaos. Core TouchBistro capabilities. Let's break down the core functionalities that make TouchBistro a game-changer. Order management nirvana. Imagine a world where orders never get lost in the shuffle. TouchBistro lets you take orders tableside, online, or over the phone, all seamlessly integrated into one system. No more scrambling between different platforms or worrying about mistakes. Menu magic. TouchBistro allows you to create beautiful, digital menus that can be easily updated on the fly. Add seasonal specials, modify ingredients, and even set up timed menus, all without needing a tech whiz on your team. Happy customers, happy business. Speed is king in the restaurant industry. TouchBistro helps you keep customers happy with features like split checks, kitchen display systems that ensure orders are fired accurately and quickly, and even loyalty programs to keep them coming back for more. Staff management made easy. TouchBistro isn't just about keeping customers happy. It helps you empower your staff too. Schedule shifts, track employee performance, and manage permissions, all within the system. This frees you up to focus on the big picture, while ensuring your team has the tools they need to shine. Beyond the basics. Unveiling TouchBistro's hidden gems. But TouchBistro's capabilities go beyond the core features. Here are some hidden gems that might surprise you. Inventory management on autopilot. Say goodbye to the days of constant inventory checks. TouchBistro helps you track ingredients, predict needs, and even generate automatic purchase orders. This reduces waste, saves you money, and keeps your kitchen running smoothly. Reporting that makes sense. Ever felt lost in a sea of data? TouchBistro's reporting tools take the guesswork out of analyzing your business. Get insights into sales trends, labor costs, and customer behavior, all presented in clear, actionable formats. Embrace the power of integrations. TouchBistro integrates with a wide range of third-party apps, from accounting software to online ordering platforms. This allows you to create a customized ecosystem that perfectly fits your specific needs. Is TouchBistro right for you? With so much functionality packed into one system, you might be wondering if TouchBistro is the right fit for your restaurant. The answer depends on your specific needs. TouchBistro is a great solution for a variety of restaurants, from fast casual joints to fine dining establishments. If you're looking for a way to streamline your operations, improve efficiency, and gain valuable insights into your business, then TouchBistro is definitely worth considering. There you have it, a taste of the many capabilities TouchBistro offers. Whether you're a seasoned restaurateur or just starting out, this powerful system can help you take your business to the next level. Remember, a well-run restaurant is a successful restaurant. So, ditch the chaos and embrace the efficiency with TouchBistro by your side. Thanks for watching, and until next time.